Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this sub-series we are going to look at table styles. So in this very first video we will get introduced to table styles. The common properties of the box can be applied to table as well. For example, border color, padding, all those stuff we can all this stuff can be applied to tables. There are some properties which are specific to a table, and in the next few videos we will learn about all those. The style can be applied to table elements like TD, TR and TH. We know that TD is table data, TR stands for table row, and TH stands for table heading. The style can be applied to all this, as well as the style can be applied to table as well. Once you finish this sub-series, you have hands-on on styles which are specific to a table. There is no demo in here. Let's continue from the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.